I get all the letters off of yours. They're all mine.
You stole all my letters?
Because they're all Addies. Because I'm spelling Addies with these.
Oh, okay. Can you show me how to spell Azzy?
Yeah. Can you spell Addie with me?
Okay. Tell me what letters come in Azzy.
Hey, just some little letters.
Just some little letters?
And big letters, little letters.
So all those letters spell Azzy's name? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I need all these letters.
All these letters to spell Azzy's name. It's a very long name, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Who else's name could you spell?
I'm almost there to mine.
Oh, okay. And then what are you going to do?
Not make it all over the place.
You're not going to make it all over the place?
No, I'm not.
What does that mean?
A mess.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because I need to spell my name.
Oh, is it time to spell your name now?
Yeah.
All right, how do you spell your name?
Gotta go like this.
What letter is that?
I.
Okay, what's next?
S.
Mm-hmm.
Y.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Mm-hmm.
D. B. Where's Z at?
Which one?
Z.
Oh, good. You need a C in your name. That's
no,
right.
I got 2 names.
You got 2 names?
Yeah.
Is that how you spell your name?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Hey, can you look at me and say hi?
Hi.